We finally know when we get to see Tony Cairoli race the new Ducati. And obviously this is big because this is Ducati's, foray into off-road racing, or at least with a new version of a dirt bike, the Desmo 450 as MX. And it's big for Cairoli too because he's been the test rider, like big name sign from KTM, nine-time world champion. Like he definitely knows what makes a dirt bike feel good, run good, fast, ride well, be competitive. He's not some guy they pulled off the street. So it's going to be a big calibrator of where they are so far. I mean, obviously, with Triumph having their new bike, Ducati has, they want to get in there and get that piece of the monetary pie. Because if you can bring a good competitive bike, you're going to get a lot of people buying it for off-road and just as another slice that they can make. But with how they're going in WSBK, BSB, MotoGP, everywhere, Moto America now with the two-rider team, Ducati is throwing a lot of money at racing and doing very, very well at it. I mean, the road bikes that they're making are absolute rocket ships. Just point, twist the throttle, and go. So if they can make an engine that's anywhere near that with the big 450 frame and make it competitive, it's going to be awesome, especially, another factory team in MXGP and then eventually hopefully moving over here. So I don't know. Comments down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for Ducati to come? How do you think he's going to do in the Italian championship? I think this will be like round four or something like that. So it's kind of just a exhibition ride, but comment down below. Tell me what you think. You excited for it? Who do you think or where do you think it's going to go? Whatever it is down below, know where to go. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.